doing Truck Thursday. Let's check it out, baby. What's that now? Little wrap van. Look at that. That's clean. Got 81 piece Automaster tap and die set for you boys. There's everything you need right there. Magnetic plier holder, purple. Okay. Got the insider ratchet, comes with them sockets, you know what I'm saying, boys? Yo, this speaker right here, y'all. This is the banger. We got one in the shop. Thing bangs.
Ooh, I wonder if they have a part by
Don't need the part number for it. That's the part number.
Put your woodworking tools in.
1/2 inch high powered impact, boys. 1,700 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. This is solid. Right angle die grinder, green. There's a part number for y'all. It's clean. Y'all make sure you hit up your Matco dealer, boys. Don't get your goodies. Ooh, juego de llaves, hexagonas metráquicas, 12-piece metric. Oh, that's in English and Spanish. Look at that. Bilingual. All in one, boys. 72 tooth combo ratcheting wrench set.